Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I, Muhammad Jahidul Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Kahalu Government Model High School, Kahalu, Bogra. Dear student, today I am going to share with you on degree. Dear student, we know according to comprehension of adjective, there is three kinds of adjective. First one, positive, second one, comparative, and third one, superlative. Dear student, today I am going to how to change a superlative degree into comparative form. Dear student, here mention some sentence on superlative degree. Here all the sentence are on superlative degree because here we can see the adjective on superlative form. Here adjective largest. So this is one superlative degree. So make it comparative form, we have to use this structure. Suppose at first you have to write down subject, then verb, then adjective of comparative form, then any other plus next part of adjective. In this way we can change a superlative degree into comparative form. Okay, so now try making comparative form. According to structure, we have to write down first time subject. Here subject Dhaka, and then verb. Here verb is, then adjective of comparative form. Here mention adjective largest, so the comparative form of adjective largest, larger. Okay, now you have to write down then any other, then any other, then you have to write down next part of adjective. Here adjective largest, so next part here city in Bangladesh, so write down city in Bangladesh. Okay, now dear student, I think you have understood these rules, so try next sentence. Here subject book, so write down book, and here verb is, so write down is, then adjective of comparative form, here adjective greatest, so comparative form greater, then any other, then any other, and then next part of adjective, here adjective greatest, so next part here friend. Okay, in this way we can do next one. Here subject Bangladesh, and here verb is, and adjective of comparative form, here adjective comparative, here adjective beautiful, and to make it comparative form we have to use more beautiful, and then any other, and next part of the adjective, here adjective beautiful, so next part here country in the world. country in the world. Okay, so I think, dear student, you have understood these rules. Now again, the rules. To make competitive a superlative degree, you have to use this structure. First time you have to write down subject, then verb plus adjective of competitive form plus then any other plus next part of adjective. Okay, dear student, if you understand these rules, so try at home the three mentioned sentence on superlative to competitive form. It's your HW. Please write down the three mentioned sentence on your khata and try at your home. Okay, dear student. Now, dear student, I am going to discuss the next rule. Okay, dear student, here also mention some superlative degree, but here the superlative degree related with one of. If the superlative degree with one of, to make it competitive form, we have to use this mention structure for making competitive form. Suppose subject plus verb, adjective of competitive form plus then most other. You have to use here most if the superlative degree one of. Before we discuss for making competitive form than any other, but here we use most because here the superlative degree one of. Mind it, if the superlative degree with one of, you have to use most after than, not any. Any used for without one of for making competitive form. Then next part of adjective. So now making it into competitive form using these rules. Okay, so here mentioned subject, so here subject he and verb here was, then adjective of competitive form here adjective best, so competitive form of best, better, then most other, then next part of adjective here adjective best, so next part here boys in our class. I think, dear student, you have also understood these rules. So try second one. Here subject Bangladesh, verb is, here also mention one of, so Bangladesh is adjective of competitive form smaller, then most other, and now next part of adjective here adjective smallest, so next part here countries in the world. Okay, so in this way we can do last one, iron Here subject iron, so iron. Here verb is. Then adjective of competitive form, here adjective useful. Here mention most, so making competitive form we have to use more useful. Then you have to add than most other, than most other, and then you have to adding next part of adjective. Here adjective useful, so next part here mention metals. Okay, dear student, I think you have understood these rules. So now again, if the superlative degree related with one of, so making it competitive form, you have to use this structure: subject plus verb plus adjective of competitive form plus than most other. Mind it, here mentioned most other, but before we discussed than any other, because there no mention one of, but here mention one of. If mention one of, you have to use than most other. And last position, next part of adjective. In this way you can do this item. So write down the mentioned two sentences for your homework and try at your home to solve these rules. Dear student, stay at home and be safe, and a request to you that please visit our YouTube channel Tech Tutor BD, and I think you will be benefited to visit our channel. Here upload a lot of classes, and so please visit our channel. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.